Looky, looky what I found. Another phone. Wait, don't stop the video yet. This is pretty cool. It's got a built-in Pico projector. What? Now I know this is not the first phone with a Pico projector, but this is a phone called the Moviphone. They took a unit this big, it's from Microvision, it's a projector, and they put it in the darn phone. 720p, and it can be used for a variety of things. You can just project your video, whether it's Netflix, YouTube, a video you shot, perhaps in a lightning PowerPoint presentation onto a wall. On the bottom are 2 speakers, so it's got stereo sound. It's got USB-C, and oh my goodness, what is that, a headphone jack? It is. Now, what's other cool about this is it's running a stock version of Android Nougat and has all your favorite Google apps. It's got a single camera on the back, it's got a fingerprint reader, and it's got a 5.5-inch 1080 display. Now here's the cool part. This isn't gonna be for a Kickstarter. It's not available this fall. You can order it right now. That's right, you can stop the video after you finish watching it and buy this phone if you want. Now we haven't tested it yet, so we gotta still test it. But this is looking pretty promising. So this is called the Moviphone, and it's $599, and you can buy it right now.